types of engine knocking you should never ignore. That knocking sound? It could be one of these three. There are three main types of engine knocking. 1. Detonation knock, fuel explodes too early. 2. Pre-ignition knock, fuel burns before the spark plug fires. 3. Mechanical knock, worn bearings or loose engine parts hit each other. Each type causes damage if ignored. One important tip. If knocking increases with speed, stop driving and inspect the engine. Subscribe to AutoMech Academy for simple engine explanation.